Hello guys and welcome to how do you check your Gmail password, or basically almost any password, in case it is remembered on your PC but you don't actually know what it is. So I'm just gonna show you how it is done. So first up, I'm gonna open up my web browser. Now you can see I have my Gmail page open. I can press next, and now you see now my Google Chrome has some passwords already remembered. So I need to just, I can either press show password, but another thing that you can do, I mean, in some pages there is no option to show password. What you can do in that case is you can right click on the password box and you can press inspect. Let me just quickly erase my password and type something wrong, something like dummy. Right, now you can press inspect, and now in this field you can change this to text. So basically this becomes text by that, right? So other than that, you can always go to Chrome settings, and then you have this autofill. Then there's this password manager, and there's all the credentials that you that are saved on your Google Chrome, and you can just press on this little eye icon and you can reveal the password. So it is always really handy. So if you have any password that you wanted to remember but you don't know what it actually is, this is the way. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.